Hello everyone! Choosing a cordless vacuum isn't just about suction anymore. In 2026, we're looking at machines that empty themselves, wash their own rollers, and even use lasers to find microscopic dust. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 cordless vacuums on the market to help you find the perfect match for your home and lifestyle. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Bissell PowerClean DualBrush. This is our top pick for pet hair and value. If you're dealing with high-shedding pets but don't want to spend a fortune, this is the machine for you. The standout feature is the DualBrush system. It uses a soft front roller to grab large debris like kibble, combined with a stiff rear brush to agitate deep-seated hair out of carpets. For pet owners, the Fur Finder headlights are a game changer. They use a specific light frequency to make pet fur glow on the floor so you don't miss a spot. One of my favorite details is that it's truly self-standing. You can just let go of it to move furniture or answer the door without it crashing to the floor. It's a durable, no-nonsense workhorse that specializes in fabric and upholstery cleaning. At number 4 is the Dreame Aero Pro. This is the best hybrid wet and dry vacuum. If you're tired of vacuuming and then mopping separately, this machine does both in one pass. What makes the Aero Pro special is its ultra-slim profile. It can lie completely flat at 180 degrees, allowing it to glide under sofas and beds where other wet vacuums usually fail. It packs serious power with 25 kilopascals of suction, so it handles liquid spills and dry dirt equally well. The best part? You never have to touch a dirty roller. When you dock it, the system uses 194-degree hot water to wash the brush and then dries it with hot air in just 5 minutes. This prevents that musty mop smell and keeps everything hygienic. It's the ultimate tool for homes with lots of tile or hardwood. Moving to number 3, we have the Shark PowerDetect. This is the best for intelligent maneuverability. Shark has packed this vacuum with sensors that actually react to how you move. The coolest feature is direction detect. Most vacuums only pick up dirt on the forward pass, but this Shark has powerful suction in reverse too, so you're cleaning twice as fast. It also has a multi-flex wand that bends in the middle so you can reach deep under furniture without bending your back. It comes with a bagless auto-empty dock that holds up to 45 days of debris. Since it's bagless, you don't have to keep buying replacements. Plus, it has a built-in odor neutralizer that leaves a fresh scent in the air while you clean. It's perfect for busy families who want a flexible, smart cleaning experience. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Roborock H60 Hub Ultra. This is the best for automated maintenance. If you hate the mess of emptying a dustbin every day, Roborock has solved it. Its dock holds a large 3-liter bag that can last up to 100 days. That's over 3 months of never thinking about dust. Tech-wise, it uses a high-capacity pouch battery. These are much more durable than standard batteries, lasting up to 3 times longer before they need replacing. The H60 also features a telescopic wand, so you can adjust the height to perfectly fit your posture. It's incredibly light in the hand and features shark tooth scrapers in the floor head that actively cut through hair to prevent tangles. It's the gold standard for set it and forget it cleaning. And finally, taking the top spot as our overall performance champion is the Dyson Gen5detect. This is simply the most powerful and scientifically advanced cordless vacuum ever made. With 280 air watts of suction, it picks up fine dust that other vacuums leave behind. The fluffy optic head uses a precisely angled green light to reveal microscopic particles on hard floors that are totally invisible to the naked eye. It's actually addictive to use because you can see exactly where the floor is dirty. Dyson has also built a crevice tool directly into the wand, so you can switch to handheld mode in 1 second. Most importantly, the entire machine is HEPA sealed and even traps viruses. If you want the absolute best filtration, the most suction, and a battery that lasts over an hour, the Gen5detect is the king of the mountain. So, which one should you choose? If you need a pet hair specialist on a budget, go with the Bissell. For wet-dry convenience, the Dreame is your best bet. If you want the most automated experience, grab the Roborock. But for the ultimate in raw power and clean air, the Dyson Gen5detect is the clear winner. Check the links in the description for the latest availability. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.